Hello, future designers, and welcome to the continuation of our virtual UI project. So now we'll be working on this. Okay, so in our previous lesson, we worked on the this isn't supposed to be applets. Okay, it's supposed to be files. Okay, files. So files. Okay, you can just select this and then make sure it's well aligned. Oops, what's happening? What just happened? It just vanished. Okay, just align them. Okay. But as you see here, we have some info icon. We are going to ignore that for now. When you have time, you can do that. Okay. So now we want to do this. Okay. Very simple. So all we have to do is, let me see if I have my, so screen 3, I'm going to do screen 4. So Control C, Control V. Okay. And then, okay, let me confirm. So screen 3, I'm going to change this to screen 4. Okay, so with the pro version of Wizard, you can create multiple screens as you want. I'm going to clear this. Okay, maybe we would need this text, so all I have to do is just to resize this. Okay, bring it here. Just make sure it's the same. Okay, and then let's compare. Okay, so we have a radius. Let me see the radius. A radius of 7. Okay, then a border. The border isn't that visible, but there's a border. Okay, so you have a border of 1. So let me copy the color code for the border. Our radius is 7, so I'm going to do that. Our border color, so our border color is here. Okay, so it's not visible. We can decide to take that out because it's not visible. If you want, we'll just increase it to 2. Okay, now let's bring it down. I like this size, this position. Okay, so there's a position for the X and then there's a position for the Y. Okay, so all I have to do now, let me bring this text file here. So use link. So when the user clicks on the share icon, when the user clicks on the share icon or button, we want it to pop this UI to pop up. So use this link. Use this link. Or this, yeah. Let's use link instead. Okay. Let's center it. Let's make sure not centering. We just want to make sure it's aligned properly. Okay. Can bring it down a bit. Then I'm going to paste another text. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay, just so I don't have to type. So I'll paste it here. Control V. So it's just a dummy link, and then we want the clone icon as you see here. So I'm going to my icon and I'm going to type clone. Okay, so we have the clone. We want the button icon primary color, so clone icon, we want this. I'm going to bring it here. Okay, then let's see the background color for it. So let's see its property. So it has a background. There's a background color code. um, so I'm going to give it a background color of, let's give it a background color. Okay, then let's see if our size is okay. So our size 30 by 30. So let's see. It's 36. Let's make it 30. 30 by 30. Okay, so this is quite okay. So I can make sure they are well aligned by selecting, multi-selecting them, and then let me just align them. Okay, and I can bring them down. Okay, so I think let me take it up a bit. Okay, so this is our UI. Okay, so when our user clicks the share icon, this is going to pop up. Okay, so thank you, and then I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll learn to, let's see what we have. Okay, so when the user clicks on the closed caption, okay, let's just do that. Okay, so all I have to do is just Control C, Control V this, change here to 5. Okay, oops. Then I'm just going to take these out. Okay, so when the user clicks on this, so we just want some text. So closed captions are a good way to help us visualize text. Okay, just so people who can actually hear can actually see what is actually happening. So just so let me just copy this whole text. Okay, nothing much to do. Okay, I'm just going to paste it, and then yeah, we'll just try. Okay, so this is quite okay. Can see it's not that visible. Some parts aren't that visible, but we'll leave it this way. Or let's see the sizing that we have for this. So this size is 27. We can do same for this. So let me change this to, let me increase it to 27. Okay, and then I'll just try to center it. Let's see. Okay, so now it's well centered. So this is it for our lesson. Okay, this lesson. Now in our next lesson, let's see what we have to do. Okay, so work on the I the background color. So we want to toggle between dark and then light mode. Okay, so that said, I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.